Now, I'll end this video by saying one more thing. I will tell you when title does matter, and it's not in the way you think. So title matters when you are marketing yourself. So let me be clear about that. The title matters when you're marketing and selling yourself. It doesn't necessarily matter for where you should target. And I'll give you the two places where we see it actually matter. The first is on your resume, and the second place where title matters is on your LinkedIn. And here's why. When you apply to jobs, right, you send out your resume, you're basically doing what's called outbound, right? Meaning like you are going to places, you are reaching out to places, you are showing people your resume, and you're hoping that they take a look. With LinkedIn is what we call inbound. LinkedIn recruiters, and I'm sure many of you have gotten messages in your inbox from recruiters, etc. They're reaching out to you because they're like, oh, this person has the experience that I might want. Now, here's the thing. These two operate in a very similar yet different way. So let me explain. With the resume, one of the number one places where recruiters' eyes go to is your most recent title. So if you're a business intelligence engineer and you're applying for a data engineer role, the recruiter might look at your resume, might say, hey, this guy's a BIE, a business intelligence engineer. And before going to any other part of your resume, they might throw it out. So one of the biggest changes that we have seen is, hey, if you just change the title, and again, I'm not, whether you think it's ethical or morally, that's for you to decide, right? We tend to believe that, hey, if you have a title of a BIE, but you've been doing the work of a data engineer, who cares, right? Like I personally was a data analyst at Amazon for 2 years, but I was doing the work of a data engineer. So I consider myself a data engineer. But if you have the experience of a data engineer, but you have the title of a BIE, then what you can do is you can swap that, put it as a data engineer, and now all of a sudden your conversion rate for interviews is going to go up. But I'm illustrating this to make a point that titles do matter, but not when you target companies. Titles matter when you market yourself, whether it's via LinkedIn, whether it's via resume. That's the stuff where titles matter.